In this video, I'm going to teach you how to wall mount Samsung Odyssey G7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly wall mount any model of the Samsung G7 that you have. So if you have the standard 16 by 9 27-inch one, the 28-inch one, or even the larger ultra-wide monitors, you will be able to get this done. So in order to wall mount a monitor, you will be using the screws at the back. So most monitors nowadays follow the VESA standard. This is going to be a specifically spaced out bracket at the back that you can screw in with 4 screws at each corner. By screwing it in, you will be able to attach a wall mount, a monitor arm, and so on, whatever you prefer. So all that you have to do is when you unbox the monitor, you might have used the standard mount that comes with the monitor. Instead of using this mount in this location, you will have to take it away and you will be able to wall mount it using this bracket that you can see. So this is going to differ for every single wall mount model that you have. For this video, I'm going to give you general instructions, but most of the time you will be using a bracket that you put in place of this hole, and you just have to screw it in just like I mentioned. So these will be evenly spaced out screws on each corner, and then by placing them into each corner, you will be able to get this done. So you screw any sort of bracket if there is one included, and then you screw the monitor arm on top. It should look something like this, and as long as the wall mount was properly mounted into your wall, you will now be able to control the angle, the height, and basically position it however you prefer. I apologize for not giving you specific instructions, but because every single wall mount has a different mechanism, I cannot guarantee that I'm going to be able to give you specific instructions for your model. So I'm trying to approach this with a general mindset just to guide you on what to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to wall mount Samsung Odyssey G7. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.